How to build a unit plan in iUgo. In this tutorial you will learn to access a unit plan creation tool, build a unit and select learning area links, edit your unit plan and use additional features, search and view plans. The Unit Plan tool enables you to create a term plan or program that shows direct links to your curriculum. It also maps a learning journey. This can be accessed from the main menu by clicking on the words Plans, then Unit Plans. Click New to start building your first unit plan. This opens a plan setup page. Enter a plan title. Choose Unit or Inquiry Plan template. The Inquiry Plan template will include additional steps mapping an inquiry process. Here you can choose a lesson view. A day-by-day lesson plan displays a Monday to Friday view. A sequential lesson plan displays Lesson 1, Lesson 2, etc. Set a time frame by clicking and dragging the blue dots. If you are collaborating, select the teachers who will have editorial rights to this plan. Select your class. Select the learning areas of the plan. This will determine the learning area specific content that will appear on the unit plan. Select the stages or levels for this plan. This will further filter the learning area specific content. Click Save to finish that plan setup. The unit plan will now load with your preferences. This is your plan summary. To make edits to the plan setup, click on any blue text at the top of the plan. You can move between a Unit Plan tab, a Comments tab to add feedback, or a Resource tab to attach and link external files to the plan. To gain access to additional features of the plan, such as copying and sharing tools, click on the blue cog icon. Or click on the printer icon to generate a PDF file which can then be printed out or saved to your computer. Click into the sections to add your content. You can type directly into some sections. Other sections open a pop-up to select content from. Your work is saved each time you click into a new section or when you close the editor. Your plan is now saved, and you can access a list of all your unit plans by going back to the menu and selecting Plans, then Unit Plans. Use the teacher filter to access read-only copies of another teacher's plan. All unit plans are conveniently organised by term and year date. To access a previous term, use the date filters. Thank you for watching. For more tutorial videos on how to use iUgo, please visit our support section.